Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to use the FOIL method to multiply binomials. So the FOIL method tells us that we multiply our binomials in the following order: first, outer, inner, and last. So let's go ahead and apply this to an example. So let's go ahead and take a look at this example here. So we have x plus 3 times 3x minus 1. So we want to start out by multiplying our first terms by each other. So we have x and 3x. And multiplying those two terms, we get 3x squared. And then next, we're going to want to multiply the outer terms. So that is the x and the negative 1. And multiplying those two out, we get minus x. And then next, we want to multiply our inner terms. And that is the 3 and the 3x. So that gives us 9x. And the last thing you want to do is multiply the last terms of each binomial. So that is the 3 and the negative 1. And that gives us minus 3. So let's go ahead and simplify. Simplifying, we get 3x squared plus 8x minus 3. And that is our final answer. And so let's go ahead and take a look at one more example. Okay, so in this next example here, we have 2x plus 1 times 3x minus 5. So let's start out by multiplying our first terms together, and that is the 2x and the 3x. So that gives us 6x squared. And then next, let's multiply the outer terms, and that is the 2x and the negative 5. And multiplying those two terms out, we get negative 10x. And then next, let's multiply our inner terms, and those are the 1 and the 3x. And that gives us 3x. And then let's multiply the last term, so 1 and negative 5. So that gives us negative 5. And then let's go ahead and simplify. So we get 6x squared minus 7x minus 5. And that is our final answer. And so that is how you use the FOIL method to multiply binomials. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.